To create a Sendwave account, start by going to the Sendwave website or downloading the Sendwave mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you have accessed the platform, click on the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. You will be asked to provide some basic information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Make sure to use a valid email address and phone number, as you will need to verify them later. Choose a strong password that is easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Next, you will need to verify your email address and phone number. Sendwave will send a verification email to your email address and a verification code to your phone number. Click on the link in the email and enter the verification code to complete the verification process. After verifying your email address and phone number, you will need to provide some identification documents to complete the registration process. This may include a government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license, and proof of address, such as a utility bill or bank statement. Once you have provided all the required information and documents, submit your application for review. Sendwave will review your application and verify your identity. This may take a few minutes or a few hours, depending on the volume of applications. After your application has been approved, you can log into your Sendwave account and start using the platform to send and receive money. Make sure to review the terms and conditions of the platform and understand the fees and charges associated with using the service. To ensure the security of your account, make sure to use a strong password and keep it confidential. Also, be cautious when providing personal and financial information, and only use the platform for legitimate transactions. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a Sendwave account and start using the platform to send and receive money securely and efficiently.